Trump fumes Canada tried to illegally influence Supreme Court. A day after announcing he terminated trade negotiations with America's northern neighbor, President Donald Trump accused Canada of attempting to illegally influence the U.S. Supreme Court through a deceptive ad campaign about tariffs. In his Truth Social post, Trump claimed Canada had fraudulently used an advertisement featuring the late President Ronald Reagan criticizing tariffs, a message the Reagan Foundation later confirmed was fabricated. Tariffs are very important to the national security and economy of the USA. Based on their egregious behavior, all trade negotiations with Canada are hereby terminated. Trump doubled down on his accusations in the next Truth Social post, declaring Canada cheated and got caught. They fraudulently took a big buy ad saying that Ronald Reagan did not like tariffs, when actually he loved tariffs for our country and its national security. The president further accused the Canadian government of trying to illegally influence the United States Supreme Court in one of the most important rulings in the history of our country, referring to the upcoming case that will determine whether his tariffs were enacted lawfully under U.S. trade law. Trump's remarks came as the Labor Department reported a 3% rise in inflation for September, slightly lower than economists' expectations. The United States is wealthy, powerful, and nationally secure again, all because of tariffs, he wrote. Trump also warned that if the Supreme Court strikes down his tariff policy, the U.S. could owe trillions. The Supreme Court's review will test the constitutional limits of executive power over trade. Trump's legal team has argued that the tariffs fall under national security authority, while business groups and trade partners say that they overstep presidential limits. Now, they and other countries can't take advantage of the U.S. any longer.